Hey, where are you going? Hang on a second. Where are you going with those?
They're 2 days old. They're going in the bin.
Throwing them away?
Yeah.
Oh, hang on a second. I got an idea.
Okay.
All right, check this out. Let's make a dessert. Gonna take a little bit of butter. All right, so now I got this beautifully sauteed donut, right?
Beautiful.
But I also want to incorporate some soft whip, right? So
Of course.
I'm gonna take a little bit of pumpkin pie spice, a little bit of ground cinnamon, and you're gonna shake that up for me. Give it a pinch and shake it really good. Shake it, shake it, shake it.
Is that good enough?
I think so.
10 seconds.
Yeah. Open it up and give us a nice little pond right around. And then we're gonna finish with a nice scoop of ice cream.
Now that's a dessert I can say.
And you see there's seasoning in the topping. Got a little cinnamon in there. So there you go. From on the way to the drash to the dessert table.
Fantastic.
Salute.